Last pack magic was a success. We have a gold pack as a last pack. Awesome, a blaster and a... Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Billy Cards. As promised, today we'll be opening another box of the Ultra Premium Collection of 151. First of all, let's get this out of the way. Let's thank our sponsors, TGC Experts, for sponsoring this video. Thank you again guys for your support. And yeah, let's start. Here we are guys, let's start. Let's play a game. We're gonna guess every energy card up until then. I hope last time I had around one of the 20 packets correct. So let's try to increase that score. So yeah, like mentioned, I'm trying to complete the set, but I'm still way off. Missing the special alt cards of the Squirtle line, Charmander line, and a few other ones. Yeah, so hopefully we will get something. I think this will be the last box of 151. Awesome. We'll keep this over here. Remove the stuff. Remove the packages. Careful now. And we have, of course, the mat that we are already playing on. Let's put that over there. So yeah. Let's see what we have. A lot of packages. Well, let's start guys. And girls, of course. So, to start our game. Oh. Code card. Wait. I say normal. No. Squirtle. Lickitung. Venonat. Pidgey. Omanite. Tauros. Kadabra. Dodrio. Sparrow. And we have Flareon. Let's see. Here you go. Fire. Nee. Ponyta. Poliwag. Pikachu. Farfetch'd. Dragonair. Seadra. Kabuto. Tentacool. Gyarados. And we have Beedrill. I'm not sure when I'm completing this set which one I will get after this. I don't know. Fire again. Nope. Basic energy. Dark, I believe. Metapod. Ponyta. Poliwag. Pikachu. Ivysaur. Slowbro. Machoke. Cycling Road. Big Air Balloon. Oh, and we have Golem. Awesome. One of the cards that we needed. Awesome. Off to a good start, at least with one of the packages. And completing the collection. So, yeah. Here you go. Bye. Let's see. Water. Ah. Shelder. Helix Fossil. Slowpoke. Magmar. Gloom. Duck Trio. Oh, I'm cheating now. Clefable. Seadra. And let's see. Switch. Poker card. Awesome. Awesome. Another golden card. And Raichu. A good catch so far. Let's continue. Here you go. Bye. Okay, come on, electric. Tentacool, sorry, Rattata, Squirtle, Lickitung, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Golbat, Clefairy, Magneton, and we have Ditto. Psychic. Meow. Still 0, guys. Execute. Clefairy, Machop, Snorlax, Sandslash, Hunter, Horsey, Erika's Invitation again. This is the 4th one. Seriously. Awesome. Awesome. And what do we have behind? What do we have behind this? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Kangaskhan. Another one that we have, but hey, still an awesome card to have. Let's continue. Here you go. Bye. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, I say lightning. Yes. Okay, that's sorry guys, I'm cheating now. Porygon, Electabuzz, Golfing, Tangela, Charmeleon, Giovanni's Charisma, Parasect, Nidorino, Seal, Nidoking. As you guys maybe see, we don't have much difficulty with pronouncing the names of these Pokemon because, you know, as a kid I grew up with it. So yeah. But the newer ones, you know, are hard. I say Psychic. Nope, Dark. Porygon, Electabuzz, Coughing. It looks like the same picture as we had before. Tangela, Golduck, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Eevee, Gloom, and Vileplume. Bye. Fire. Grass. Tangela, Coughing, Psyduck, Ekans, Parasect, Cloyster, Giovanni's Charisma, Geodude, Psyduck Special Art, awesome. Didn't have that one yet. And Jolteon. Let's see. Oh. Here you go. Bye. Psychic Energy. Sorry, forgot again. My apologies, guys. Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Coughing, Big Air Balloon, Primeape, Pharaoh, Raticate, Clefable, and Omastar. Oh. Code card. Okay, come on, come on, come on. I say water. Yes! Special art. Finally, one good. Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Rhydon, Rix's Band, Nidorino, Rhyhorn, Bellsprout, and we have Gengar. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Another day, another package. Fire. Ground. Psyduck, Ekans, Cubone, Vulpix, Onix, Dragonair, Seadra, Electrode, Nidorina, and Weezing. Okay, let's see. We are down to 4 packages left. We got a few good cards, so I think this one with Erika was the gold packet. We don't know yet, but we never know. So let's see if we get one of the special cards. Bye. I say grass. Basic. Dom Fossil, Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen, Gloom, Clefable, Dugtrio, Hitmonchan, Ivysaur, and Weezing again. Here we go. Normal energy. Yay! Well, to be honest, I meant this one. You won't believe it, but I meant this one. For real. Krabby, Sandshrew, Seal, Dodio, Graveler, Arcanine, Kingler, Farfetch'd, Jigglypuff, and what do we have? What do we have? We have Mew! Mew EX! Another one that we didn't have yet, so really glad with it. And it's one step closer to completing the set. Here we go. Okay, grass, electric, Weepinbell, Gasly, Paris, Voltorb, Hunter, Hitmonlee, Hypno, Arcanine, Wartortle, Starmie. Well, last pack magic, guys. I hope. Will this contain it? I don't know. I hope so. Let's see. A code card by I think Dark Energy. It's grass. Let's go, guys. Last pack magic. We have Tentacool, Rattata, Squirtle, Lickitung, Snorlax, Sandslash, Hunter, Paris Special Art, and we have Blastoise, and we have Zapdos. Last pack magic was a success. We have a gold pack as a last pack. Awesome, a Blastoise and a Zapdos. Really unbelievable. Look at these cards, guys. Last pack magic indeed. Awesome. So, yeah. So, there we are, guys. Last pack magic, that was insane. Who could have believed that we had a gold pack as last pack? And really, if you look at all of the cards that we had today, I'm really glad. I'm really glad. Sorry, didn't come out of my words. The Blastoise and the Zapdos as last pack. Awesome. Can you believe it? Awesome. Once again, thank you for taking the time to watching the video. Once again, special thanks to our sponsor, TCG Cards. TCG Experts. We are from Billy Cards. They are the experts. So yeah, sorry about that. Take a look on his card market if you want to complete your collection. What we have know now is that we are doing the same because we haven't completed our collection yet. And maybe we'll buy another UPC, maybe not. I don't know. I know, but we will probably do. But yeah, we want to complete the collection as soon as possible, and maybe we'll want to complete it more than one times. But seriously, all things is good. But thank you again for watching the video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you again. See you next time, guys. See you next week. Bye bye.